to my channel. Today we are painting, and I know this is something different. I usually never talk in my videos, but today I'm talking because this is a tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to paint a beach scenery. And this is one of my favorite paintings to do ever, because this is the most easiest painting ever, well, in my opinion. So let's start. So the thing that you're gonna need to get started is a paper. You could use a regular paper, you could use acrylic paper for painting. That is what I am using. Next, you're gonna need some paint. We have some white acrylic paint, we have some blue acrylic paint. It could be green, it could be yellow, it could be any color you'd like. We have some black paint, we have some purple paint, and we have some dark purple paint. Okay, so let's start. So you're going to want to grab your paintbrush and let's start. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab some of your light purple and you're going to add some white to it. And then you're going to paint the top of your paper. We're making like a tropical ombre type thing, so we're going to make it like from, like, ombre means like, you know, like going down colors. So we're going to add white to make it like a very light lavender purple. And then we're gonna add some regular purple, and then we're gonna do that. And we're gonna actually add a little bit of white because we still want it to be light, but also we want it to be a little bit darker than the color before it. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna wet my paintbrush just a little bit, so then the color can go down more. And now we are just going to go from dark, like lighter to darker. So now I'm going to add just a little bit of that dark purple, and we're just going to do that. And you want to add, also while you're doing that, you want to add just a little bit of white each time, so then your color will be like a little bit more lightened, because we still want it to be light but still not too light. So we're just going to do that. And then we're going to go in with the dark color now, and we're going to add white to the dark color just to make it a little different color. We're going to do that. So I'm going to be painting this whole paper, and when I do that, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I painted the whole paper ombre, and another tip is in the middle you want to add white. So like you want to make it like that, so then I like, you know, you'll see why. Okay, next up, we are going to grab our second brush that you want to use. It could be any brush. And you want to grab your like blue or green, whatever color you have chosen. So I have this light blue. It looks really turquoise on camera, but it's a light blue. And we are going to just make little mountains right in this like middle of the paper. We're going to make mountains. Just mini mountains, not too big and not too small either. Just gonna, you can make it how you want. It doesn't need to be perfect. You just want to do like that. Okay, that's done. Now you want to grab your black paint. We're gonna grab our brush that we're gonna use for black, and we're gonna grab our black paint, and we want to paint the bottom part all black. This is going to be like our sand type thing. So we're going to paint the bottom all black. We're going to add some more. We're going to paint it black. There we go. We painted it all black. Next step, you want to grab your black, and we're going to make palm trees now. So making palm trees is super simple and super easy. You just want to make a long stick, and you just want to keep going up. So we're going to go with that. You can make it as high as you want. You can be short. So I'm going to make it really tall, so I'm going to make it over the mountain. And it doesn't need to be perfect, because trees are not perfect. There we go. And now we're going to make the leaves. Now for the leaves, you just make lines and like, just make lines. There we go. I know it's not the best looking palm tree. It's not also the worst, so yeah. Now we're gonna grab some more black paint and we're gonna make another one, but this time I'm gonna make a small one. So you can make them both big, you can make them both small. It's all up to you how you wanna make it. We're gonna make this palm tree's leaves. And there we go. Now this is all. Now this is like the last step type thing. So we're gonna grab the white in your paint. You wanna grab the white and you wanna make the moon first. We're gonna make the moon. So there's our moon. And now you wanna, where like the palm tree is and like in the middle, you wanna add like water reflections. So it looks like the reflections of the moon. And there you have it. And there we go. This is how it looks. This is the final product. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, comment down below if you want to make, like, you want me to do more of these videos, and hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.